everyone. Welcome back to our channel Knowledge Base. We've all heard it, 10,000 steps a day is the magic number for better health. But is it really that simple? Today, we're diving into what actually happens to your body when you take 10,000 steps a day. Walking 10,000 steps a day, roughly equivalent to 5 miles, has long been considered a standard health goal. First up, your heart. Walking is one of the best exercises for cardiovascular health. Taking 10,000 steps a day can help lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, and improve circulation. Over time, this lowers your risk of heart disease and stroke. Thinking about weight loss? Walking 10,000 steps burns approximately 300 to 500 calories, depending on your pace and body weight. That may not seem like much, but over a week, it adds up to burning off about a pound of fat every few weeks without changing your diet. Walking isn't just great for your body, it's also powerful for your mind. Physical activity releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. A daily walk can boost creativity, improve focus, and even help you sleep better. For additional benefits, getting your 10,000 steps outdoors in nature can significantly increase mental health and relieve symptoms of depression and anxiety. Your muscles and joints will thank you too. Walking strengthens your legs, improves posture, and increases flexibility. If you experience joint pain, regular walking can actually help by lubricating the joints and reducing stiffness. Studies show that consistently walking 10,000 steps a day can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, dementia, and certain cancers. Plus, it's linked to living a longer, healthier life. Who doesn't want that? Some interesting facts about walking. Walking enhances bone density and strengthens your skeletal structure. Walking improves balance and coordination. To burn off 3 slices, 1/4, of a large pizza, an average person would need to walk for approximately 1 hour and 20 minutes. Walking boosts blood circulation, benefiting both your mood and skin health. Walking engages 200 muscles in the body. 1/4 of all the bones in the human body are located in the feet. Walking increases blood flow, which enhances both mood and overall well-being. Left-handed individuals are often left-footed as well, typically stepping with their left foot first. Walking sideways burns more calories than walking forward. Children and young adults should engage in at least 60 minutes of physical activity daily. Adults should aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity on 5 or more days per week. Regular physical activity stimulates brain function and can enhance memory. Students who walk or cycle to school tend to have higher levels of physical activity, better cardiorespiratory fitness, and a greater likelihood of staying active into adulthood. So, is 10,000 steps a magic number? Maybe not exactly, but it's a great goal to keep you moving. Whether it's a morning stroll, a lunchtime walk, or an evening jog, just keep stepping. Your body and mind will thank you. Walking 10,000 steps a day provides numerous physical and mental health benefits. It can promote healthy weight loss, enhance joint health, elevate mood, boost brain function, and support recovery. As a low-impact exercise, walking is accessible to most people. So, if you're seeking a fun and effective way to improve your fitness and overall well-being, put on your walking shoes or sandals and start stepping. Do you aim for 10,000 steps a day? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more valuable content to expand your knowledge base. See you next time.